Hey, welcome back to the final reveal of my 1975 Johan Cutlass, backdated to the 1974 Hurst Oldsmobile pace car. Here we have a 360-degree view, and I'm going to go ahead and get my little pointer here and show the hood louver decal that I made, that I said that I didn't forget about. I'll show that a better close-up a little bit later. Here's the Hurst Olds and some other decals that I made. Everything I made for this kit was made by hand and the computer. Again, just a front view of the louvered hood section. I think it's 5 or 6 louvers. On the pace car, it seemed more of a recessed hood compared to later versions of the 75, 76 model Cutlass. That looked more pronounced and above the hood. Here's that Hurst Oldsmobile area. A little bit hard to see, and I'll get a better close-up later on. It's the black rubber stripes that I put on the front and rear bumper. Let me go ahead and pick it up and see and show the modifications I made to the front. On the 1975 Cutlass, the parking lights here were located in the upper grille section right here. So I had to relocate those down to the bumper so it resembled the 1974 model. Here's that louvered hood scoop decal I made. I just couldn't bring myself to cutting the hood. This works for the visual representation. I just couldn't do it to the kit. Usually all the modifications I make can be easily undone. Like right here, I extended the B-pillar to make the quarter window smaller. That little piece can be taken out. I did not cut the glass. The glass is in place behind the B-pillar. There's a look of that hood scoop decal again. Let me go ahead and try to center this up on the screen there. Yep. All right, let's go ahead and pick her up again and see what else we have going on. There's that black stripe on the front bumper. It's usually hard to see those things, on film, but I did that on the front and rear bumper. Here we go. And also, during this build, I hit a milestone of 400 subscribers. So I want to thank each and every person that subscribed to my channel. I take great pride and joy in my builds. They're relaxing, and I enjoy sharing them. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I'd appreciate it. And I'd like to take the time to thank everyone who has commented. I enjoy the comments and interactions with the viewers, so please keep it up. Well, we're coming down to the end here. I'd like to thank each and every one of you that has watched my videos to this point, and we'll see you on the next build. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Have a safe and blessed day.